All right, my fabulous Quillistas. Every queen, princess, and porcupine fashionista needs a crown. And today we're making one fit for royalty, your royalty, because true queens shine from the inside out. Supplies you need: construction paper or cardstock, gold, silver, or any color you love, safety scissors with a grown-up's help, glue or tape, stickers, gems, or anything sparkly, and markers for extra magic. First, sketch your dream crown. Pointy, curvy, maybe heart-shaped. Make it yours. Carefully cut along the lines. Royal hands deserve the perfect fit. Need help? Summon a royal assistant, aka a grown-up. Step 3. Fit for a queen. Size check. Wrap it around and tape or glue the ends together. Ta-da! Now it's officially crown-shaped. Step 4. Time to sparkle. The best part? Decorating. Go wild. Stick, sparkle, doodle. Your crown, your rules. Step 5. Strike a pose. And just like that, you're officially royal. Now go rule the world with kindness, confidence, and fabulousness. Show me your crowns, Quillistas. Royalty never looked so good. Tag me so I can see your royal glow. #Paisley's Crown Club.
Quillistas, welcome to Paisley's Fashion Forest. You can sing, create, and sparkle. Twirl and dance with all the animal top models.